I can't go wrong with that. Apart from my confidence from God, I've got confidence from La Posta because he's dropping all the right tracks. I'm just talking. Toka. But anyway, we're talking about talking. It's time to activate who you really are. Today, God is preparing you for promotion through your battles to become a solution center to people and nations. You know, just like the biblical Joseph. It's a Motivation Wednesday, midweek motivation. And you need to share this, you know. You see, someone may have lied about you, plotted against you, conspired against you. Someone could be fighting you. It doesn't really matter. Simply because something bigger is coming in the way of elevation. If only you will focus on your assignment. That's the key. If you lose focus, that assignment will not be complete. So you often find, even in home, church, the workplace, school, whatever it is, keep that focus. Stop complaining and focus on God's imminent promotion and not man's jealous pollution. Notice the difference. Focus and factor in the outcome, not the now. And sometimes you be distracted. You're on the verge of a breakthrough. You're on the verge of the big one. And bam, the distraction. You are distracted. That would lead to destruction. A person who only sees a problem is a normal human being. We all do that sometimes. However, a person who finds a solution to the problem stands out. Good managers, motivators, leaders, visionaries. And don't get it wrong, not all politicians are bad. Not all leaders are bad or corrupt. Still, the person who goes out and does something about his or her test is a real doer, not just a talker. Be mindful of the talkers. There are so many of them. They talk, but they can't deliver. They promise, but they always fail. So all nations, young, old, any color. It's not about your color. Don't use that as an excuse. So make up your mind and do what is right. Focus on what you're supposed to do. Do not be distracted. And remember the most important thing, if your trials are fearsome, it's because God wants you to be awesome. Remember that. And keep moving on to the next challenge. After the next challenge, after the next challenge.
Max FM 89.7.
Yeah. Makwela munaka. Oh, yeah. Nari no le marega. Okachalali na okaloke kauntala. Nari no le marega. Okachalali na okaloke kauntala. No le malete, quanta l'auto su sa malete ai cule. Nari no le malete, quanta l'auto su sa malete ai cule. Che non le vuole che abbiamo di bala, quanta la chiedi di bala. Che non le vuole che abbiamo di bala. La chiedi di bala, che non le vuole che abbiamo di bala, quanta la chiedi di bala, che non
Max FM 89.7.
One day you will know. These are the words of my mother. As I'm getting old, even now I remember.
It's 4:23 on Max 89.7 FM. With creeping up to the hour of 5. And those wondering about the Asamoah Gyan tournament, is the Asamoah that on earth, nothing lasts forever and nothing just emerges. They were all created. So for there to be a forward movement, there must be an application of force first. We must kill laziness with fierce determination before it destroys our lives. Look at Ghana today. Listen to radio, watch television, and surf social media. It's all selfishness. It's all me, 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 me. Now you have slave kings to challenge slave queens. Quick money, a quick CD here, a quick dollar there. That's not the way it works. It's about the process. Preachers, politicians, bloggers, even lecturers. It's all money, money, money. Very few talk about process, process, process. Principle, principle, principle. Your labor today is your contribution to the miracle you desire tomorrow. And most people just want to be in the results, but not to be about the process. It's the process through which we realize who we truly are.
Noma singafundi Skandisaka elenyanga Iti yehla kuyenyuka Njalo njalo kuze phela unyaka Sivuka noma singafundi Skandisaka elenyanga Iti yehla kuyenyuka Jalo jalo kuze phela unyaka Zaga 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 Sifuni zaga 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 Sifuni zaga 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 We can do anything for Maria Pepa Bongo muntu Funo Mandela Funo Mandela La pekuna Hey, we can do anything for Maria Pepa City of gold, city of light, city of hopes and dreams, possibilities. Some end up in the streets, others make it through, the ones that have influence. Money can buy innocence, money can buy happiness, make me look very nice, walking with confidence, shop on my diva dance. Zaga, 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 symphony, zaga, 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 zaga. Zaga, 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 zaga. Kalaya
I say wow. This your love, you go kill the person. Sure you know you be left out. The kind one we go one person. I don't why you from Chicago. This your back, you go kill the person. In fact, I won't be your Superman. For my town, what is it person? Why you do me like this, you do maybe? I don't go low for this your body. Why you do me like this, you do maybe? Oh, do maybe. I don't go low for this your body. Oh yeah, shall they walk the wow. This your love, you go kill the person. Sure you know you be left out. The kind one we go one person. I don't why you from Chicago. This your back, you go kill the person. In fact, I won't be your Superman. For my town, what is it person? Come on to tape, baby. Oh, you want to move, oh, me, I know the place that. You want to move, I want to take feel love in the back of me. She make I can feel jump on the regular. On the regular. Why you do me like this, you do maybe? I don't go low for this, your body. Why you do me like this, you do maybe? Oh, do maybe. I don't go low for this, your body. Oh yeah, shadow was the wow. I can't be to your love, you look in the enemies, see them no be God. Them want see my downfall. But the boy them know the flop. Me across my hands I choke. Zanku, 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 zanku. Enemies see them no be God. Them want see my downfall. But the boy them know the flop. Me across my hands I choke. Zanku, 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 yeah. You see the hater no fi made a God. Elementary, we be the feather cause. We them boys where they bring the old school to the 21st century. But we know the one abroad. What will they do for me I never know. If one door close, open another door. We know the mind, say a bunch of you baby. Me walk on tombre, my palava sauce. Me and me fuku. I know they see your jealousy. Cause I did by the almighty. Come to me and me fuku. Enemies see they no be God. They want see my downfall. But the boy them know the flop. Me across my hands I choke. Zanku, 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 zanku. Enemies won't try figure my steps. Even as I walk through the valley of death. Time no day from the castle boy. Me as I day I know they watch you serve.
Max FM 89.
It's 4:39. It's the Sports Drive. DJ La Posta behind the 1-2. And my name's Ampofo Ankrah. Hey, what's up, Isaac Amano? I've seen your message. Hello, my name is Isaac Amano from Tema. I want to wish my cherished twins happy birthday. Albert Amwako and Agnes Amwako. They are in East Legon, Church of Pentecost. May they live long with more grace and prosperity. And I greet all Church of Pentecost people. Okay. Emmanuel Assembly East Legon. Wait, I'm seeing East Legon, but I'm sure it's East Legon, unless it's somewhere else. And I'm sending greetings to Apia and my sister Aquile Amano. God bless you all. DJ, God bless you. Yeah, thank you. La Posta, blessings to you too. La Posta says, thank you. Talking about thank you. Do this for me and I'll thank you later, sooner than you think. Please vote for Nanaya Ejari, the brand, to win the Outstanding Film Personality Female Category Award at the National Communications Awards. Just dial *920 2020 hash. Then vote for her. And the code to vote is 6864. Voting is from now until the 5th of November. Come on, let's do this. Let's go grab this award. God bless you all. And starting from the 12th of October, 7 p.m. sharp. Not a minute earlier, not a minute later. Max TV brings you another blockbuster telenovela, Brothers. Twins Ado and Caro were separated from each other because of financial reasons. Both became police officers as they became adults. Ado is raised by his grandmother and marries Carmen. They later had a son. Due to work and, hard work and diligence, he is promoted to senior inspector. On the other hand, his twin brother, Cardo, loves the quietness of the mountains in the rural town. He grows up with his childhood best friend, Glenn, who secretly has a crush on him. Oh, yeah? Their lives take a sudden downturn when Ado is betrayed and murdered. He was in the process of investigating child trafficking syndicate. Wanting to conceal the fact that Ado is killed in action, his boss orders Cardo to assume Ado's identity. You get it? So take up the identity of your dead brother. And to continue the mission of his late brother. Interesting, huh? Will he take revenge on his grandmother who deserted him? Will he fall in love with his brother's wife? Will the truth come out? And will his life be at stake like his brother's? Don't miss Brothers starting 12th of October. Right here on the Max TV at 7 p.m. sharp.
Max FM. Max FM. 89.7. Max FM. Max FM. 89.7.
Wamona yeno weteta mawaza Mohara sekele oweta kwasa Kawona leno tendo nyakosaka Wamona yeno tendo nyakofasa Wanyana ota weteta mawaza Mohara sekele oweta kwasa Kawona leno tendo nyakosaka Baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your particular, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Back, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your particular, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. If in a man, they make me they follow your lane. I like how you did. I want make pull over. Show me your particular, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Back, baby, you pull over. Show me what you got. Baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your particular, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, pull over.
It's 4:47 on Max 89.7 FM. It's a sports drive. Now, starting from the 12th of October, guess what, guys? The General's Daughter. Another fantastic novella. This is a story with so many twists and turns that your TV remote will not even change to another channel. The General's Daughter. Two sworn enemies vow to destroy each other, and one steals the other's daughter, trains her to become a killing machine. The mission is to kill and destroy her biological father. They say blood is thicker than water, but will it sound true in this case? Can love melt the iron heart of a killing machine? Be part of this thrilling saga, The General's Daughter. Premiering the 12th of October on Max TV, 9 p.m. sharp. And don't forget, Max TV is the home of Filipino telenovelas and series. Max TV, sports, entertainment, and more. I know you're not going to miss this. The General's Daughter.
Max FM. Max FM. 89.7.
And next week, I'll be telling you about the perseverance. Something that you need in your life if you wish to go far. The furthest you can possibly arrive at your destination, if you don't have perseverance, it's going to be impossible. And we'll use some sporting examples. From Muhammad Ali, Carl Lewis,